Namaste. Today we are going to talk about Crohn disease. In fact, this disease has been getting very common these days, and lots of people are suffering from Crohn's disease. Normally, in the modern approach, there are not many things which can help during the Crohn disease. But Ayurveda has something very peculiar to treat, to help people suffering from Crohn disease. Basically, this is an autoimmune disorder where there's a lack of immunity, or people have genetic predispositions, and even it can happen with the people suffering from emotional shocks, having lots of stress, smoking a lot, and having lots of alcohol drink. So basically, what's happening in Crohn disease, according to Ayurveda, that there is an impaired digestive fire, which is not digesting your food well. So our aim is to correct that digestion, which is getting impaired, and to bring it to the normal functioning. And then what happens is there's lots of acid secreting in the mucosal membrane of intestine, which is causing inflammation and making it prone to infections, to inflammations. And that's the reason that this inflammation keeps on increasing. And moreover, that mucosal membrane is very prone to other things like ulcerative colitis, infection with the helicobacter, and other problems related to the skin, to the intestine, having irregular stool pattern with lots of diarrhea, or sometimes diarrhea with mucus or diarrhea with blood. So what we do is, in Ayurvedic term, this disease is called then when pitta, which is a fire element, combination of fire and water element, is being pushed towards intestine and creating this inflammation, and vata causing the impaired agni, the digestive fire. So what we do is we advise few nutritional guidelines, we advise some detoxification process, we advise some herbs which help to bring the digestive fire back to the normal, removing this pitta from your body, from your intestine, and the toxins which are present in the form of stress hormones or undigested food which is not digested well due to impaired agni, and we correct all these things to bring down the symptoms. Within few days, the symptoms start getting improved and the condition of the health improves. In Ayurveda, our aim is on what you eat, what is your lifestyle, and what is your eating patterns, what are the things which are creating the problem. So we go to the root cause of the problem. In many cases, I have seen where there have been an emotional shock, where there have been a stress, where there have been a genetic predisposition. So what I would recommend to those people suffering from Crohn disease, that they must avoid pre-cooked food, industrialized food, fast food, or having lots of red meat, or even meat, we can say. I will avoid lots of spices, the lots of stimulating food like coffee, or smoking a lot, or lots of alcohol, and to combat the stress. These are the main reason where disease get difficult to manage. So once you visit your Ayurvedic practitioner, he will he will he is going to watch, he is going to analyze your constitution and your disequilibrium in your body. According to Ayurveda, we have three constitution: vata, pitta, and kapha. And according to that constitution, what dosha, which is vata, pitta, and kapha, is in disequilibrium. So we are going to bring that disequilibrium into balance. And then if there are toxins present, which are certainly present in this case, Then we try to remove those toxins with food, with lifestyle, and with the detoxification process. And ultimately, people feel really good, improve in their symptoms, and they are easily able to manage the Crohn syndrome. So, this is an Ayurvedic approach which goes to the root cause of the problem and not only the symptoms of the problem. Thank you.